has decided to adjust the ratings of players below 2,000 by increasing their current ratings. However, some players may feel tempted to stop playing rated games after receiving this rating boost, fearing that they will lose their newly gained points. This is a counterproductive attitude that can harm both the players and the chess community. You will face stronger opponents, learn from your mistakes, and challenge yourself to reach new heights. You will enjoy the thrill of competition, the satisfaction of winning, and the camaraderie of fellow chess players. You will also earn titles, norms, and prizes that reflect your achievements. You will contribute to the development and popularity of the game, support your local clubs and tournaments, and inspire other players to join and improve. So, don't let your rating stop you from playing chess. Remember that rating is just a number, and what matters most is your passion and progress. Keep playing, keep learning, and keep enjoying chess.